And we really want you to know that life is about now. It's about now. Life is about now. It's going to take a while. It's about now. Oh, it's about now. It's about now. And sometimes you look forward to what's coming, and so as you anticipate something better later, while you're feeling not enough now, sometimes without even meaning to, in your anticipation of what's coming, you let the positive thing that you believe is coming work against you as you pair it against the not wonderful thing that's happening now. We want to help you to fine-tune this. You all are on the leading edge of thought. This is an advanced class in deliberate creating. It really is. We can feel who you are. And so today we're going to help you work the subtle bugs out of your vibrational frequency. We're going to help you to understand why things that are working for you are and why things that aren't working for you aren't. We're going to help you to understand these laws of the universe and what you can do to go with the flow of this powerful, perfect experience of eternal motion forward. We are eager to talk to you about whatever matters to you. There is nothing that is off limits here. What you will notice is a really wonderful unfolding as we have some conversations with some of you. Not all of you will come forth, hopefully. But we will find among you those who best represent what you most want to know. And it is our absolute promise to you that if you have an active desire within you, we'll talk about it here. And as you softly listen, don't struggle or strain over this. You're ready to hear what's important to you, and we know what that is, and we will make sure that we get it out there. Your work is just to relax and really enjoy this powerful unfolding of what we know for sure is co-creation at its best. You've come from so many places, so many environments, so much knowing, so much wanting, so many different perspectives. This is a quintessential physical and non-physical combining of energies for the purpose of lifting vibration, for the purpose of re-establishing your conscious awareness of your point of attraction, of helping you get in sync with who you really are so that you can experience the awesomeness of non-resisted thought. Hardly anybody knows what that is. Most humans just move around shooting themselves in their own feet, not meaning to do it with the realistic objective, weighing the pros and the cons and the pluses and minuses of life, where it's all right to do a little bit of that. We call that step one. In other words, life will show you what you don't want. And when it happens, you automatically find the equivalent, the perfect equivalency of what you do want. And so the more you don't want it, the more what you do want emanates from you. It's just a wonderful, balanced experience. That's step one. When you know what you don't want, what you do want moves forward. And step two is it's answered. The source within you becomes the vibrational equivalency of what you've asked for. And that's a bigger thing than you recognize, because when that happens, your creation is set in motion, and it's an absolute thing. What you've asked for has become an expanded particle of the universe. In other words, you just became more. It's sure. It's so sure that we call it present tense. You don't want to. You don't want to call it present tense because you've asked and it has been given. We call that as present tense as it gets. But you say, wait. It might have been given, but I don't see it yet. And since I don't see it, I refuse to call it present tense. And we say, therein is your trouble. Because as you insist on the absence of what you want being your present tense, then you hold yourself in vibrational discord to who you really are. And that's why you don't feel good. Negative emotion means that and only that every single time. You're holding yourself in opposition to who you have become. When you get that, and when you begin to really care how you feel, so that you're reaching for thoughts that feel better until you have isolated the better feeling thoughts on those subjects that have previously not felt so good. Now you're doing what we call step three, Step 3 is you're in the receiving mode of what you've asked for. So step 1, you ask. Step 2, it has been answered, and the cooperative components have been gathered, and it is gestating, and it is ready for you when you're ready for it. Are you ready for it? That's the question. And your mouths would say yes, but your vibration would say maybe not. Your mouth say, oh, I'm ready. I've been ready for a really long time. And hear what that's saying. I've been ready for this. I've been ready for this. I've been ready for this. And hear the impatience in that response. I'm ready for this. I'm so ready for this. And this is what we're going to work the bugs out of here today. Because sometimes you think that your words have you queued up in the place that is the receiving mode. But what your words are really doing is amplifying where you believe you are in relationship to what you want. That won't get it, will it? You've got to feel the present tenseness of it. And as humans, are you hearing us all right? Is the pace of this conversation comfortable for you? Because we could slow it way down. All right. So as you've asked and it has been given, and you accept that what has been given, and now you're on the ready for it. You're on the ready to witness it. In fact, you're so good at holding yourself in the vibrational vicinity, not of what is, but of what you're asking for, that now evidence of it is showing itself to you in lots of different, very exciting ways. You are experiencing the moment-to-moment unfolding of what we've been calling present tense longer than you have been willing to.